Guys, although it may seem like Bitcoin is just going sideways right now, there is not much happening. We actually do have something crazy happening right in front of our eyes we need to talk about today. So guys, if you are invested in crypto, you will want to stick around for this video. Welcome back everybody, my name is Chris, bringing you cryptocurrency videos every day, teaching you how to make money in this market. If you are new to the channel, then make sure to subscribe and activate the bell right now. Let's get straight into it, guys. So in yesterday's video, I did warn you that I thought that the rally we were seeing right now, that I didn't think that we were gonna go up and break the $22,500 level. Now, here's the thing. We have had a little bit of a drop here for Bitcoin. This can still continue. This can still continue and go up like this. I still think that on the balance of probabilities, yes, the probabilities of us breaking through this level is higher than the previous times here. Just like I am saying right now that I do think that we are gonna get a rejection from this point, I was saying that these previous instances as well. But of course, it is with higher likelihood that we can break through this level this time around, because the more you hit one specific level, it's most likely going to break eventually. But for now, we're seeing a little bit of a pullback right here. We do not want to see us come down and take out this low, because then we are destroying the trend of making higher lows like this if we go any lower than this specific level right here at 19,300. So we want to stay above this trend line where we do have a trend of at least making lower or higher lows, but also at the same time, ideally, we should come up to this level and at least have a try the resistance here. Let's test it and see if this time around we can break past it. So that's the 4 hourly. On the weekly time frame, nothing has really changed. I still think that we're going to go sideways for quite a while, and there's going to be crazy trading opportunities as we go sideways, because I think the swings are going to be pretty violent. So of course, if you want to trade this price action, make sure to claim the $4,530 bonus over on Bybit, and same on Femex 4,500 over there. I am going to continue to give you these trading opportunities. Just like I said yesterday, if we're gonna go up here to 22,500, I am going to put in a little bit of a short if we manage to get up to this position. Now, for traditional markets, we're seeing sideways action, but more importantly, and I actually saw this on Rover's channel, my friend, and he is talking about this massive wedge on the daily time frame on the S&P 500. Now, these tend to break to the upside. So usually what we do see is we consolidate inside of this, and then usually, more likely than not, we have a break towards the upside. So this is something I'm watching. I'm going to keep you updated regarding this, of course. But there's a couple of important and very interesting things happening right now. The first one is, if you look on the Bitcoin to NASDAQ chart, we can see something really, really interesting. So you can see that compared to the NASDAQ, Bitcoin tends to go into these channels, tend to hit the specific level right here, this support level on the RSI, again, inside of this channel, reach this level, and then from that point, we tend to have a pump towards the upside. You can see that we have been doing this a couple of times previously. Consolidate right here, consolidate, reach this level on the RSI, this support level right here, and then from that point, boom, to the upside. Same thing here. We are consolidating inside of this channel right now, although it's not tilted as violently to the downside as these previous ones, but we did hit this support level on the RSI. So this is a very interesting chart. Now remember, this is the Bitcoin to NASDAQ chart. So all this means is that Bitcoin in these occasions, when we go up here, is outperforming the NASDAQ. It doesn't mean that we necessarily have to go up in US dollar value, but compared to the NASDAQ, Bitcoin tends to go on these massive runs. And yeah, this is definitely something I am looking for as well. In fact, I've been talking a couple of videos a couple of weeks ago, about how I think that with time, we're going to see a decorrelation between NASDAQ, between Bitcoin and other markets. And this actually paints the same picture. So what we can see right now is that Tesla has been going down 44% from its peak. Meta is down 58%. So these are already significant. You can see Bitcoin is down 71%, but even stocks like Zoom and Netflix are down even more. Roku down 82%. So this is really interesting that you can see right now that we are seeing less of a correlation between Bitcoin and the S&P 500. So the correlation is getting less. Now, is this temporary or is this a trend that is going to continue? Well, let me know down in the comment section. I think with time, this is definitely going to happen. Maybe at this point, we're going to have some swings. Of course, the correlation is going to swing back and forth, but with time, I think the correlation is going to start to, not be as provident as it has been during the last couple of years. So yeah, that's what I got for you guys. I hope that you enjoyed today's video. I will see you in the next one.